Hi, let's go through a step by step how to cook creamy butter chicken Indian curry. So take 1 kilogram of boneless chicken and to marinate, first add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, add the spices and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and some lemon juice. Mix it well for a perfect marination. Marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes. Since the chicken is being marinated, it's time to prepare for the curry. So, take tomatoes, onion, green chilies, some stem of coriander, and cashew nuts. And we take also spices, cardamom to cloves, mace. Yeah. Now we chop the onions, cut the tomatoes into small pieces as well. When the pan is heated on medium flame, add 50 gram of butter. First add the spices, fry it for some time, and then add chopped onions. After frying for some time, add 2 green chilies and then add the chopped tomatoes and fry it nicely for some time. Add 2 bay leaves, add the coriander stems now, cashew nuts goes into this. Now it's time to add spices into the cooking curry. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can also add 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder for less spice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. After cooking the curry for some time, add 100 ml of water. Cover the lid and let the curry cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After the curry is cooked, it's time to grind the curry so that we get the creamy texture of the curry. And here it goes. Let's filter out the creamiest part. It's time to fry the marinated chicken. So we will fry the chicken till both sides are golden brown. They're fried well. It looks good now. Now we'll use the same pan to cook the curry which we fried our chicken. So we'll add some butter, some around 100 gram of butter. In this, we're gonna add the filtered creamy curry. We'll cook it for 5 minutes until it boils. So after cooking for like 5 to 10 minutes, we add the fried chicken into this creamy curry. Cook the curry for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Let's make it more creamy. Add 200 grams of cream into this cooking curry. Now let's cook it for some time. Add some methi leaves if you have, it's an optional. After cooking for some time, it's time to add some coriander and also cook it for some time. Voila! The tasty and yummy butter chicken is ready to be served. You can eat it with bread, rice, naan, chapati, normal bread. Yeah,